We're Rachel and Austin, traveling the USA in our Winnebago Rebel, with our dog Olympia. We're living van life to the fullest, and today we're in the great city of Newport, Rhode Island, walking the cliffs and getting pizza. It is a sunny day here in Rhode Island.
Newport, Rhode Island.
So we just did the tour of the breakers, the Vanderbilt mansion. Pretty insane. And of course, you know, you can't film in there. Now we are going to go walk a cliff. Try to walk to 40 steps. We are still a few steps away and you can already hear the waves breaking.
It's half a mile to 40 steps from the breaker mansion.
This national recreation trail, sitting 70 feet atop the cliffs, was designated in 1975. That about does it for walking out here in Newport. We are now on our way to find pizza strips. These are the infamous Rhode Island pizza strips. That's some good sauce. I'm going in for the stromboni. That's delicious. Getting down with the chicken parm. It's pretty tasty. Alright, so that is where we are going to call it for Rhode Island. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Otherwise, be sure to hit the like button. And then check those links out down below in the description. We'll see you when we have service.
Bye.
Pizza without cheese.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what I heard. We'll see.